In this video, we are covering the use of 是的,是啊,是吧. In case you don't know, 是 has two meanings. First, it means is. Second, it means yes when you're replying to someone. And today we're learning how to use 是 as yes. When we add the after statement, it produces a confirming tone. Therefore, if we reply with 是的, it means yes with an affirmative tone. 这个钱包是你的吗？看起来很旧。是的。In fact, adding the at the end of a statement will usually give a casual and enthusiastic tone. So if you reply someone with 是啊, it means yes, but you sound like you're casual and enthusiastic. 你的新裙子真漂亮。是啊。是吧 Like 是啊 and 是的 means yes, but it carries an uncertain tone. It is more like saying, I guess, I think so. 这条项链是小刚送你的吗？他是不是喜欢你啊？是吧？If you would like to see more of these Chinese short tutorials, feel free to subscribe and I'll see you next time. 再见!